get ready with us like before and we'll start seeing. So for moisturization, I'm gonna use Dot and Key moisturizer, and she'll be using Dot and Key something else, but I'll make her use this. Come here. We'll both get ready with us together. Well, I have to tie my hair into a bun because I'll be wearing the hijab. So do not judge me for my hairstyle right now. What was the point of doing that? Okay, so moisturization 1. Now what do you think I should do? Like obviously hide my acne and stuff. So like foundation. Why is it turned off? It is okay. The first time user. I don't know. Where's my sponge applicator? See my chulo. No, I don't know. Lots of sunscreen. Not now, पहले फेस बाद में लगाते थे अभी लगाते सनस्क्रीन पहले लगा. अच्छा रुकना फिर मैं भी लगाऊंगी. और सनस्क्रीन Dot and Key watermelon cooling sunscreen. Okay.
Dot and Key sponsored.
No, it's not sponsored. Ew, that's not how you apply it, dude.
I know.
You have to.
I'm an influencer. I do know.
You take it on 2 fingers and tap. I mean it's 9. No, it's 10:15 a.m. My friends are going to arrive at 11. So I have like 45 minutes to get ready. We usually take 2 minutes because moisturizer, sunscreen and lipstick and I'm done, but today is Eid, so I'm going to get ready a little bit better. I can't see anything because I'm like literally blind. So do you have a smaller mirror? No, I can't see anything. I don't know what I'm doing, sorry guys. Is the influence here? I'm just...
All I have is this.
Yeah, so we have a second mirror. I don't have the patience to like, so I just...
Does it match your color?
I don't know. It's a lot of foundation. I'm not gonna lie. Better, but like... कौन सा लगे? A purple dress. We'll fill in some purple.
It I'll do.
Yeah, because I don't know how to sit.
Yeah.
Why are you putting so much pressure on my neck? It will break. What the hell is this idiot?
This is her eyelashes and this is mine. Oh, mine looks good. For eyes, I'm going to apply golden. You done?
No.
Apply golden at the end. It will look good. Okay, so gonna apply this. My eyeshadow is broken, but it has that only property. I'm gonna apply this shade first. Ooh, you know what I forgot? If you want to, there is a tip. If you want to apply something glittery, you have to apply plain base. I'm going to apply brown so that the glitter can, Now that is done. I'm going to apply this golden shade. I'm going to apply this entirely. I'm not going to do 2 shades.
Just applying this.
Okay, we have golden thingy.
We need silver thingy.
Right? You feel it's right?
Something doesn't feel right.
Now let's sharpen the edges. मलाल को तूने बोली थी क्या कि अपन जाने वाले हैं. We have old eyeshadow blush. I applied this one. Faces like what? So first I'm going to apply this chocolate brown. Actually it looks good, but since my dress is dark in color, I'm going to put a little bit of lip combo of this shade is what? I don't know. Once you're done, turn it off. Eid Mubarak.
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me